guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're just joining me for the first time, this is acrylic painting with me, Julie E. And I mixed up some paints last week because I was doing an experiment, and the experiment had to do with pseudo swiping for cells and lacing. It was between the school glue and water pouring medium that I make, which is 70% Elmers School Glue, 30% water, and then I shake it to the point of insanity. And then we also did the black cell activator using the tiniest bottle of Australian Floetrol in the world. So what I've done is I mixed the 2 cups together. Took the 2 separate cups, the ones with mix and the ones with school glue, and I put them all in the same cups here, right here. So those were the colors we used in last week's. And then the Australian Floetrol and the school glue cell activator, I took both those cups and I mixed these both together, so it is a combination of school glue pouring medium and Australian Floetrol. And then this is just some leftover gold that I had, and I just added a little bit of Floetrol to it to thin it out a little bit. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a non-bloom bloom. That means that there is no house paint, no min wax stuff, none of that. So let's have some fun. I'm going to put down a base. And my base is Artist Loft Flow Black, and my school glue pouring medium recipe. sure opened that up, didn't it? That is still so pretty. Okay, I'm officially leaving it now. It's done. I'm leaving it, not touching it. Looks awesome. Woohoo! Get that up, and I will take you in for a wet results flyover. Be right back. I'll see you in a little while for dry results. Okay, here we are with the dry results. We're out in the sun so you can see that it is shiny and shimmery. But yeah, there's the one that we did in the green. Really neat. Can't wait to put a varnish on that. Bring that blue back out so you can see it better. Okay, and then here is the pink, and unfortunately I did get some cracking in this one, and I think it was from my gold. I'm not sure, but yeah, you can see the color shift on it though. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I think my gold was bad, and so I got some cracking, some separation. Not happy at all. Okay, but the lacing is pretty. Okay, that's it. Till next time, guys. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.